How's it going, everybody? Roke here. I'm changing out the high pressure AC sensor. That's what it looks like. That's the old one I took off. That's why you hear all that noise. Got the Freon leaking. Let me show you where it goes at. So where your oil cap is at, straight down. Probably see it better there. Let me get this thing, get it focused. Come on. There it goes. Alright, you see right in between, it looks like the starter and those two 90s. It's right there. I'm gonna put my finger right on it. Let me get it. Right there. That's where it goes at. That's where the new one goes at. That's the high pressure. The low pressure is right there. That's the low pressure. This is on a 2005 f350 v10. And let me give you a bottom view where it goes at. I had to change it from the top to the bottom. I didn't have enough space. At least it felt like that. You see it right there? That's it right there. So I'm gonna try to screw it on from the bottom and see what I can do. It's a little tricky to tighten up and loosen up, so try your best. You don't have to overkill it because it wasn't tight at all. So just to let you know, I couldn't find nothing on YouTube. This is the best I can do to help everybody else out. So let me get that changed, and I changed the low pressure. It is hot and muggy here in Florida. Woo! Bad. Figure I'd make this video to help everybody else out who has these V10s. Change the AC, low pressure and high pressure sensor. Which I think the low pressure actually has a different name for it. What it's called is I forgot what it's called, but it's like turn on your AC when the low pressure gets pressure, it'll turn it on, or let it turn on. So I figure I'll let you know what's up. Let me give you the part numbers before I forget. That's both of them, the low and the high. Now this is for V10. I don't know about the V8s and all that, but see the one on top is this one. The high pressure one is this one. Trying to think what else I could do to help everybody else out, but I think that's about it. Putting it on, putting it off is very simple. It's got a little clip, you push up, pull the plug off. You unscrew the sensor and you screw on the new one. Now, on this low pressure one, it's plastic. It's plastic screw, so don't overdo it, but you'll tear it up, all the threads. I've done that already one time. And don't do it while your engine's hot, like me. I gotta have all these fans running, cool everything down. Wife made me go on an errand right when I was about to work on it. Oh man. Geo tracker coming along, just to let everybody know, it's getting there. Look at my helper, such a good helper. Man, oh man. But that's it. Got any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, show a like. All these subscriptions actually helps to promote this channel and keep getting it moving it on bigger. Got a couple more projects later on to work on, and I'll show you on the next video on that. All right, everybody, y'all take it easy. Bye.